Hello garden friends! Today, we're building a garden. Let's start. Whoopee! Okay, so today we are building a garden. So this building a garden is something that I've set as a goal like in the beginning of the year, that I want to build a garden out in my backyard. And after saving money and some really cool investments, I've been able to get enough money to start the garden. So right now I'm going to be recording the process of getting the materials, and then just the parts of slowly building a garden, and also in a way showing that anybody can really build a garden. All it takes is just a little hard effort and some money, but it's more hard work and effort that's going to be in here. And I'll be showing you all the things that I bought and what is needed and how easy it is to do. And let's just get started into the vlog. And well, yeah, I just said let's get started. Alright, cool. Also, just to add, one of the things that gave me like the encouragement to start even getting to the garden, because I made the goal back in like beginning of like the year, like school years. Well, like I'm saying school year because like then you understand, like September, October, around that time is when I made the goal, but only when I was quarantined and left with nothing to do, like mandatory to do, like all types of schoolwork and all types of all this and that. As you had time to think, go back, and then this is how it all started, was with time off and time to think to myself. That's what gave the idea to this. Now, just want to sprinkle in a little like a little backstory, and like how the quarantine, pretty good things have come out of it, at least on my terms. I'm sorry for everybody else, but some of the good things can come out of it if you know, like to make a new art piece, do a little new dance, little twinkle, some random stuff. Or, I don't know, just do something meaningful, something that you can be like, like when someone asks you, like, how's your day going? And like, well, I kind of like made a new dessert, like I made some cake, like that type of stuff. Let me stop rambling. Yeah. So I made a whole list, a little booklet. This is my little booklet, and in the booklet, I wrote all the things that I wanted to grow, like just showing you, like, if you put something out there, you can achieve it. I need exactly $350, but yeah, I listed all the things that I wanted to grow, like fig trees, grapes, potatoes, tomatoes. You name it! I got compost and everything, like, knowing like what to put in compost bin, what not to put in compost bin. You name it! And then I also added up the price for how much it will cost to like to create a bed in the first place, because like, mind you, no garden stuff at all before this. What it cost to make a bed, to raise the bed, and the tools that I would need, because I had no garden tools before this. You name it! Until now that I'm getting. And I set out all the costs, everything I need for the things like cuttings and everything, and I came up with the price of $350. And just through manifesting, just like putting what I want out there and saying how I'm going to get it, I ended up accumulating the extra $300 that I needed for this. So yeah, put your dreams out there and they can come true. Wish on that star, bro. Wish on that star. Let me just tell you the list. So the things that we are getting are planter blocks, which is they're like little cement blocks that you can put your boards into, wood boards, black sheeting, perlite, vermiculite, like different stuff for the soil. Like you can use chicken manure, all that type of stuff. Then that's the stuff that we're getting here today. And then we're getting in possibly a wheelbarrow, if I just try to fit that in, watering can, shovel, and that's about it for what we're getting today. And throughout this process of creating this garden, I will be recording like every single part of it, just so you can see what's possible and how to do it and the steps to do it in an easy to digest video series. And also, you don't got no time anyway, you're stuck at home. Alright, let's get into it. We're getting the boards cut for the garden bed right now. And since quarantine's happening, you know, closing early, so trying to hurry on up. Alrighty, we have done some of the shopping for the garden. So far we have gotten the wood that we need to make the garden beds. We've gotten some of like the soil stuff that we're gonna be used, but not nearly as much as we need to get. But you know, things closing earlier now. I'm not trying to complain, do anything like that. But we're gonna continue to shop to get the rest of the materials throughout the week, and then we can get on to part 2. But this is still part 1, and the next time you see my face will be... Okay, so here's what we're at right now. Let me show you. So right now we've got the boards. So what we still need more material. We got some of the mulch. I'm using pine bark mulch, some peat humus. There's a lot of other ingredients I'm getting, like vermiculite and perlite, and I got peat moss. I'm adding that all together for the bed mix. But these, it's 4x8 beds, and these are the 2 beds that we're going to start with initially, and then we're going to spread the beds. So let me just keep this in mind. Day 1 in a way of starting. Well, it's not really starting, just putting the boards down for visionary reasons, but this is the start. All right, we're just going to end this video off as part 1, day 1 of garden building. Hope you enjoyed. More garden videos coming as we go through the journey of me building a garden. And I hope for me building a garden or just doing something outside, doing something in this time, I hope that inspires you to do something even cooler or something like this as well. So have a great day. Much love. Peace.